welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day. We are outside Walmart today to do some rebate shopping using all of our favorite rebate apps. I believe we are using Swagbucks, Checkout 51, Ibotta, of course, maybe Fetch Rewards. We are also using the coupons.com app for a couple of coupon reimbursements. I believe I'm only using 4 or 5 paper coupons. The rest is pretty much coupon reimbursements. So digital coupon options for those that don't order inserts. So that is always super fantastic. And of course, with the coupons.com app, they do offer these coupons in printable form that you can print on their web browser. But I'm just preferring to submit my receipt afterwards and get reimbursed for those coupons I did not print because I'm out of printer ink. So I need to remind myself while I'm in here to get some printer ink. So we haven't been to Walmart in 2 weeks just because things got a little busy and then I wasn't really feeling my bonuses I got this week on, I believe it was my husband's account. It was $1 back for 15 offers, and then mine is $3 back for 15 offers for my midweek bonus. Obviously I want to go for mine because I'd like $3 more than $1. But let me know what kind of bonuses you got this week, if you got any. Of course, they vary by account. Some accounts may not get them. It's just nothing you're doing wrong. It's completely random. Of course, the rebate apps will be linked in the description box if you are new to any of them. Highly would suggest to sign up for them, and using my referral link you get a little kickback just for joining, and I would truly appreciate it. As well as the printable list is also in the description box if you guys would like to follow along with the deals. So we're gonna go ahead, get in here, but first, if you are new, I know I have a ton of new subscribers. Welcome, my name is Abby and I love to coupon every single week to save my family some extra money. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload, as well as give the video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it. We're gonna go ahead and get in here. The sun's really brutal. I apologize for the lighting. He found a toy that makes noise, so let's go ahead and roll inside. Alright guys, so my first deal is on the Colgate gum renewal at $6.96. I'm going to share with you all the way that I originally planned to do this, but I had accidentally clipped this $2 coupon, pretty much just to show that that's another option, and then I ended up using it when I really did not want to for this scenario. But I'll share with you all the scenario I wanted to do first and then the backup. So I was going to pay the $6.96 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $3 back, and then a $3 coupon reimbursement on the coupons.com app. That reimbursement expires today, November 30th, when I am filming this. I would check back into the coupons.com app if you are doing this deal later in the week to see if they reset that. And then I was going to submit to Shopkicks for 700 purchase kicks and 15 in-store scan kicks, totaling $2.86 back, making it free and a $1.90 moneymaker. Now for me, I did use that $2 insert coupon, totally did not think about how I wanted to actually submit to coupons.com, the app, for that higher value reimbursement. So for me, it ends up being a 90-cent moneymaker. Now if coupons.com doesn't reset that reimbursement, this is another option to use that $2 insert coupon. I do believe it expires on Saturday, so we have a little bit longer to use the paper coupon. The coupon reimbursement, it's in the air if it'll reset, but either way, a great deal. All right, next I'm going to grab 2 Bic Soleil women's razors. They are $4.92 each. I'm going to go ahead and max this deal out since it is a limit of 2 on Checkout 51, and the coupons are a limit of 2, and they do expire December 4th this weekend, so I want to go ahead and use them. So 2 razors totals me $9.84. I'll use 2 of these 3 off 1 coupons from the 11/14 save insert. I'll pay $3.84 for both, submit to Checkout 51 for $3 back on each, making both of them completely free and a $2.16 moneymaker. Next, I'm going to grab 2 of the green giant riced veggies. So I grabbed one that was $2.64 and one that was $2.48, both totaling me $5.12 I'll pay out of pocket. And then I'll submit to Swagbucks for $4 back when I purchase 2, making the final cost $1.12 for both, or 56 cents each. Next deal, I'm grabbing this 2-count pack of Beyond Burgers at $4.84. I have a $1 huge printable coupon from the Beyond Meat website signing up with my email, so I'll pay $3.84 and submit back to Ibotta for $3.50 back, making it just 34 cents for these burgers. Y'all, it's been 2 weeks since I've been to Walmart, and this glitch is still happening on the Purdue Harvest Land ground chicken. It's $3.47. I mentioned before there is a printable coupon on the Purdue website, but it does not play nice and scan at checkout, so I did not want to bother with that today. So I'll pay $3.47 and submit back to Ibotta for 2 rebates attaching to this one product, both $1.25 value. So that would make this pack just 97 cents. So I don't understand the deal with this Rockstar Energy. I mean, it's been a couple of weeks and they're tagged $1.35 on rollback at my store, but every time they bring up $1.50 at checkout, and I just don't know. So I'm gonna pay $1.50 out of pocket for this Rockstar Energy drink, and then I'll submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back, making it 75 cents. Next, I'm gonna grab some Love's diapers at $5.47. I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $3.47. I wanna know when the P&G inserts are gonna start having those Love's coupons again, because they were fantastic to use at Walmart with the Ibotta rebates, so I kind of miss it. What good are diapers without the wipes? So we're going to grab some Huggies wipes again, this time at $1.90. I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. And for this being my second time purchasing the Huggies wipes at Walmart, I'll earn a 50-cent bonus and making this pack just 90 cents. So the Lysol laundry sanitizer, the 41 fluid ounce bottle only, is $5.97. I'll pay that out of pocket. We can submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back and to the coupons.com app for a $1.50 coupon reimbursement. And on Shopkick, we have a offer for 400 purchase kicks and 15 scan kicks, which totals $1.66, making this just $1.31. The Glad Press and Seal is a really good deal this week, so it is going to be $2.98 you'll pay out of pocket. You can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. Also, a $1 coupon reimbursement on coupons.com, the app. And then on Shopkicks, you'll get back 250 purchase kicks and 15 scan kicks, totaling $1.06, making this thing just 17 cents and great for the holidays. So for this next deal, you can grab either the Pringles Wavy or Pringles Scorchin' at $1.53. Pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just $1.03. And the baby, he is such a good helper, just holding on to everything for me. Next deal is on the baby magic products. So the cheapest alternative is that baby lotion at $2.67. However, the baby wash would benefit us better at $2.74 because my son is just very specific with his skin and lotions he has to use. So I'll pay the $2.74 out of pocket, submit back to Ibotta for 75 cents, making it just $1.99. Next deal is on the refreshed car vent sticks. So the cheapest option at $1.92 is the berry scent and the Hawaiian scent. The other ones would not come out a moneymaker, and I'm looking for some moneymakers to help me pay for my items. So we have to buy 2 at $1.92, totaling us $3.84. We can submit to Swagbucks for $2.50 back when we buy 2, and check out 51 for 88 cents back on each, making both of them completely free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Also a great stocking stuffer for those men in your life. Next, I'm going to grab 2 of these Clorox Disinfecting Wipes, the 9 count only. They are in the trial and travel size section in my store. They're 97 cents each, so 2 totals me $1.94 out of pocket. I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $1.75 back when I purchase 2. And I'm going to take my chance here with Shopkick because I'm not seeing any size requirements. So I should get back 100 purchase kicks, so 40 cents. It would not work for the scan kicks. But either way, both of them could be completely free and a 21-cent moneymaker. Next, I'll grab one of these dark chocolate pecan turtles at $1 in the checkout area. I'll pay the $1 out of pocket and submit back to Ibotta for 75 cents, making it just 25 cents. And my last deal of the day is on the Tazo 12-ounce tea. It is $1.68 that I'll pay out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $1.98 back, making it free and a 30-cent moneymaker. This is also found in the self-checkout area in case you don't know where it is in your store. So that is everything I plan to get at Walmart for today. I'm loving this haul, loving all that food, and that good stuff we'll definitely use. He's loving those refreshed car vents. I don't know what's up with him, but Hey, whatever works to keep him a little quiet and calm down in the store. So we're gonna go ahead and check out with this and then head home and talk about the final cost. All right, we are home from Walmart and this is everything we grabbed today. I really, really like this haul. So many household essentials. So, weirdest thing at Walmart, I went to all of the self-checkout lanes and none of them were taking cash. Cash is what I had on me today mainly, so I was looking to use that. Literally only one register was open and that was the only one taking cash, so I had to wait in this long absurd line with everybody else using cash just to get out of there, which also makes me nervous using a regular register because I like to see my coupons coming off. Luckily, I was only using 4 today, so they all did apply. But I did not realize until I got back to the car that I was aiming to submit to the coupons.com app for a $3 coupon reimbursement on the Colgate, and I showed a $2 coupon from the inserts to use on it, which is another option, but I wanted to use the coupons.com reimbursement because obviously that's $1 higher value reimbursement and would have made it a nicer moneymaker. So that kind of stunk that I forgot that. But hey, I mean, savings is savings. And I do believe the coupons.com app reimbursement for that Colgate does expire on November 30th. So I think today that I'm filming it. So it may not still be there tomorrow if you are doing this deal or later in the week, that sort of thing. So the $2 insert coupon, of course, is an option. Just I was blanking and did not realize. I don't even know why I had already clipped that and had it ready to go. I just was not thinking, I guess. So other than that, everything was super smooth. So I will show you guys my receipt. Hopefully I don't butcher anything because sometimes the wording on this, on the receipts, I don't ever understand the item it's referring to. So I know for sure we have the Green Giant Rice Veggies, one at $2.64, one at $2.48. That was just what I decided to grab that we would like. Then we have the Beyond Burger, we have the ground chicken, the press and seal, we have the Refresh car sticks, the Loves, we have the Clorox Wipes, the Colgate toothpaste, the Huggies wipes, the Rockstar. I want to show y'all. I don't understand my store, okay? The last couple times I've done an Ibotta haul and grabbed the Rockstars, they are tagged on rollback for $1.35, but keep ringing up $1.50. Make it make sense to me because it doesn't. $5.97. I guess that would be what the heck? I guess that would be the laundry sanitizer, and then the Baby Magic Bath Wash, the Turtles, the Pringles Crisps, the Tazo Tea, and then the Bic. So all the coupons did apply for the Bic, for the Beyond Burger, and the Colgate. Those were the only 4 coupons I used. So it shows right here 2 subtotals, one being $60.78, one being $51.78. $60.78 was before coupons. I had $9 worth of coupons, so it came to $51.78. Now, huge shout out to my dear friend Jody Dunn here on YouTube. I accidentally won one of her giveaways that she did last week, I do believe. And I had said in my comment that I wasn't entering, I just was commenting, and the random comment picker chose me. And Jody insisted that she blessed me with a wonderful $20 gift card. So I chose mine for Walmart. So thank you once again, Jody. I did use that today to lessen my out of pocket for my transaction. And of course, it helped me out tremendously. So I hope I made her proud putting it to use doing some Walmart Ibotta shopping. So I used $20 in that virtual gift card she sent me, and then the rest I paid out of pocket. So this is a total of 20 items. From Ibotta, we got back a total of $24.83. That is including my $3 midweek bonus. I also got back a 50-cent bonus for doing the Huggies wipes a second time at Walmart. And then for the Purdue Harvest Land, I hit 2 separate 50-cent bonuses for buying the ground chicken once again. It's just such a good deal. I don't know if y'all are tired of seeing me repeat the ground chicken, but I said before, as long as it keeps double dipping, I'm going to keep grabbing it for 90 something cents. That is incredible. I love getting ground meats. It's just fantastic. So $24.83 for my Ibotta. I went ahead and submitted to Swagbucks for $6.52. That was for the Refresh and the Green Giant. And then on checkout 51, $7.76 for the Refresh and the Bic Soleil. And then I went ahead and also submitted to Fetch Rewards. I got back 12 cents, but hey, every penny counts. And coupons.com, they approved my receipt so fast. Usually it takes a couple days at least, but it was like by the time I got my car to drive home and got home, the money was already at my PayPal. So $2.50 because I submitted for a reimbursement on the Lysol and the Glad Press and Seal. Remember, I used a coupon on the Colgate, so I could not submit back for that $3 rebate because, I'm already using one coupon. I can't claim that I need another reimbursement when I clearly had a coupon attached to that product. So we know how coupons.com, the app, works. It's just reimbursements. And then from Shopkicks. So I went ahead and remembered to scan my products today, y'all, in store. So I got some scan kicks. I got 45 scan kicks. Now I'm taking my chance and also submitting for these Clorox wipes because they do have a rebate for 100 kicks back, which is equivalent to 40 cents. There is no size restriction on it, so I'm taking my chance and went ahead and claimed those 100 purchase kicks. I knew that these would not qualify for the scan kicks. Normally the smaller trial travel size items don't qualify, but they'll usually give you the purchase kicks for those products since there is no sizes restricted. So hoping I get that. And then I went ahead and submitted for, what else was on Shopkick? Press and Seal, Lysol, Colgate. So that was a total of 1,225 purchase kicks for those items. So between the scan and purchase kicks that I earned today, that's $5.08 coming back. Total of product today before coupons, this would have cost $60.78. And then we got down to $51.78 with coupons. But after all of the rebate apps cashbacks, we are down to a final cost of $4.97 for 20 items, or about 24 cents a piece, which is phenomenal to get the diapers, the ground meats, that expensive Lysol is just, even the toothpaste is $6. Isn't that crazy that people spend $6 on this? Now, if I don't get back the kicks for those Clorox wipes, which is 40 cents, I may or may not get back. If I don't get back that 40 cents, it would make the final cost $5.37, which I'm still very happy with because I definitely would pay $5 for all this any day. So I will keep you all updated either in the community tab or a pinned comment if I do get back those kicks. The shop kicks have been coming back pretty fast lately, so let's hope they come back really soon. And I didn't divide everything up, obviously, on my receipt because I was in a normal checkout line, but my receipt is kind of small, so hopefully they kind of pick up on it pretty fast. So that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you're doing any rebate shopping this week. Remember to always check in on these deals if you're following any of the deals I do today, because the rebates could disappear at any time or they could lower the value of cash back given. So just keep that in mind. But that is it from me. I do want to remind y'all that I am posting my first ever Vlogmas tomorrow. It starts tomorrow. I upload every Wednesday and Friday in December until Christmas Day. And so I will have a video up tomorrow evening of my first Vlogmas. And I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. I have a couple ideas in mind. So definitely keep an eye out for that. And that is it for me. I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.